In this video, we're going to share how to set up public responses before someone completes a form and for after they take a form. So we have a potluck form here. I'm just going to go in and save the form. This form's already set up. Once we save the form, we will land on this success page. In the form settings, there's an option called Enable Public Response Summary. Once I check that, I get this public response summary link that I can share with respondents before or after the response. I also have this toggle to hide the button until after form submission. As a respondent, when public responses is on, what I see when I go to the form, at the bottom of the form, I see a button that says View Current Responses. The respondent can click this and see who has already responded before they take the form. They can also see it at any point after. They will get a link to the responses as well once this setting is set up. So this is what a respondent would see when this setting is turned on. If you do not want them to see that button below the submit, you can hide that. And then when we go to the form, we will see that button is no longer here. So if you want respondents to see and be able to view responses of who is attending or has already signed up, you would leave this off, but enable the public response summary.